Hey, Melvin Yates back for the outdoor treehouse project. We actually made some last minute adjustments with the treehouse. Initially it was going to be 9 by or 12 by 29, 2 stories, but then I said it looked a little too boxy. So I went back to the designer, so let's mix it up a little bit. So we actually decided to, on the upstairs level, just have a loft and then a half roof on one side. You know, also it's not so like the most obnoxious treehouse you've ever seen. That's another reason we decided to scale it back a little bit, if you could call this a scale back. But we've already started on the upstairs section. Let's actually go ahead inside, or outside still, and see it. So again, we decided to have the kind of the loft area here. The roof pitch is gonna slant backwards down toward the downhill, where initially the whole roof pitch was gonna go this way, through the length of the house, I guess the 29-foot way. Now it's going the 12-foot way. And then this side is gonna be a shorter roof line. We've got some rafters here, which we're going to actually have like some interior jungle gym type of things, monkey bar type of things for the kids. And then there's gonna be a ladder right here that'll take you up into the upstairs loft. So again, this is the outside framing. We've got plenty of room, so we're gonna have some nice big windows. At least that's the plan. But like I said, we had to make some last minute adjustments, and but it's coming along pretty good. Actually, we're expecting that it should be done in a month or so, give or take, just in time for spring. So, and then also the slide too is gonna come probably a 2 or 3 step up and then slide down, I guess, into the abyss. That's where the where the slide would go. The children just go off into the darkness. But hey, just bringing you an update. I'm Melvin Yates, and I'll see you next time.